A doubled chain 3 can be used as the starting stitch for a treble crochet in place of a chain 3 or chain 4 to start your row around. You can simply make a doubled chain 3. I'm going to show you, you see there's a marker, a stitch marker over here. I'm going to show you where to put the stitch marker as well if you want to have a stitch marker in the top of your stitch so you know where the top of the stitch is. So to make a doubled chain 3, you insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through. There are 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Now you're going to insert your hook into the farthest loop. See these 2 loops that were on our hook a moment ago? You're putting your hook into the farthest of those 2 loops. So right under here, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook again, yarn over, pull through 2. Now if you want a stitch marker to be on the top of your stitch, this is where you're going to place it. Just put it around the loop that's currently on your hook. There we go. So it's around the loop that's on my hook. And now I'm going to repeat the last step I did one more time. I'm going to insert my hook into the farthest, see these 2 loops? I'm going to insert my hook into the farthest of the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then I can make my treble crochets because that doubled chain 3 is the height of a treble crochet. Now, if I had done that last step one more time, I would have a doubled chain 4, which is the height of a double treble. Okay, and you can keep going. Each additional time you wrap the yarn around your hook means you need to do 1 more of those repeats, and you will get your proper starting size height. Now you see I'm putting my hook into the stitch with the marker on it, so I know that is the last stitch of my row. If I were joining rounds, I would know when it was time to join again. I would know this is the stitch I join into. Okay, but there you go, a doubled chain 3, which is the same height as a treble crochet.